So I was trying to get the stump out today. I started with an axe. Got one root cut. I was gonna try to get the roots cut, see if we can get it out. The axe broke. Then I got a chainsaw. Chainsaw blade is dull, so I only could get a few pieces off the top. Last resort, handsaw. Obviously doesn't work. Don't plant stumps in your yard. Doesn't work. The stump beats me today, but I will come back another day for revenge. Stay tuned for episode 2.